If you've ever felt like you're doing all the work, reading the books, going to therapy, trying to understand yourself, but you still don't feel at home in your body, then this is for you. Hi, I'm Briony Montgomery. I'm a somatic psychotherapist and the founder of the Somatherapy Collective. And I don't just work with your thoughts, I work with your body because that's where everything lives. Your patterns, your trauma, your relationships, your capacity to feel, to connect, to heal, and to actually be present in your life. Most people come to me feeling overwhelmed or shut down or caught in cycles they can see but can't shift. And that's often where traditional approaches stop. They give you awareness, but not transformation. Because healing doesn't happen through insight alone, it happens when we begin to work with the nervous system. When we start to gently meet the parts of you that had to adapt, protect, and survive. The parts of you that learnt to hold everything together. The parts that learned to disconnect, to people please, to overfunction, or to disappear. My work is trauma-informed, body-based, and deeply relational. It draws on somatic therapy, attachment repair, parts work, energetic and nervous system healing, as well as over 20 years of clinical and lived experience. But more than anything, this work is about helping you come back into relationship with yourself. Not the version of you that's coping, but the version of you that can feel, respond, choose, and live from a space that's actually aligned. This is where your body stops working against you and starts working with you. This work isn't about fixing you. It's about remembering who you are underneath what happened to you and creating the conditions for that version of you to come forward. If something in you is recognizing this, you can explore working with me below or begin with a free 20-minute clarity session.